anyways. Anyways, guys, welcome back to Bro Gang. What's up, everybody? So welcome back to the channel, and for those of you who are brand new to the channel, welcome. Juan, Miguel, Sergio over there. But anyways, guys, for those who have been asking about the blue truck and where it's been at, you know, the truck's been down, but luckily we finally got time this weekend to take the truck out and then finally put its new motor in it, because the other one got hurt. Like I said, if y'all haven't seen the other previous video, we did hurt the rings on the truck, so the truck like barely stays on.
Or the bottom end.
Or the bottom end. Or something got messed up on the truck. And also I think the turbo's giving out. But like I said, we do have the new motor for it. We're gonna take it home, or we're taking it home right now. Start tearing it down. I'm gonna go pick up a new turbo, new parts, and some other little things for it. But you got the truck right here, as you can see. Anyways, it is gonna get a new, basically brand new piping. It's gonna get, I think, 3-inch in it for the cold side, and it's gonna get a full 4-inch exhaust all the way to the back of the truck. But yeah, and like I said, we're finally gonna be able to test out these tires, hopefully. Like we bought them and the truck blew up. So these are brand new. They've just been sitting in the backyard for how long? Like a couple months? Yeah, so yeah, brand new set of tires. New wheels and tires, my bad. So like I said, finally gonna get it back on the street hopefully soon. And also a new grill, so that way, because originally, you know, somebody ripped off my other one. I don't know why, but they ripped it off. But it is gonna get a new grill as well. But anyways, we got the motor out of the truck, as you can see. How long did it take? I started on it, so I don't know. I got here towards the end. Basically, all I had to do was just unbolt the train. So, it wasn't too bad. Yeah, so we were just chilling. You know, we weren't really too much in a rush. But overall, like I said, motor's out. So we're gonna end up pulling off the heads off of this, the head, the cam, the lifters. Basically, we're scrapping the block, but everything else is pretty much gonna go on the other motor. But yeah, we're not sure if we're gonna put on turbo. Oh, I got a new turbo right here. I don't want to grab it because my hands are super dirty, but this is a new turbo right here. It's a VS Racing. New to me, you know, new to me turbo. It's a 7875. I mean, you know, it's way better than the eBay turbo that I had on. But I mean, honestly, the eBay turbo lasted us what, like a year, a little over a year, and just straight up using it. So, yeah. So we don't know if we're gonna put it on or leave it off and let Charlie do it. But we're gonna give him a call and then, you know, see what he prefers. If it would be easier for him to put it on and then do all of the piping work and all that stuff, or us put it on and then just take it to him, let him have up all the stuff, and then we go from there. But like I said, as of right now, we're gonna pull off basically the rest of the front, just the water pump and then the cover. We need to reuse that cover and the harmonic balancer. There you go. The ICT, the cover and the heads. Like I said, because in the last video I saw of this truck, we had just gotten the heads redone. It should be okay, right? maybe should be okay. But we're gonna say fuck it and throw them on anyways. So, and then also the brand new head studs that I had just bought that didn't get fucking used. So yeah, basically, like I said, we're just gonna drop the motor back in, leave it like that, and then take it to Charlie and then go from there. But if it wasn't for that, the truck probably would have been running by probably tomorrow. But it's all right. But yeah, I guess we'll tune in tomorrow and see if we can put the motor together, or maybe part 2. I don't know. We'll see right now. What's up, everybody? So we're back, day 2 on the OBS. So after looking through the truck and everything, we decided to take out the entire wiring harness, the battery cables, basically everything, because for those of y'all who don't know, this was the first truck we started doing the swaps on, as why it's all cut up in the front, because this is the guinea pig basically. So this one is the one that's getting all cut up. This one's the one where we're test fitting parts and all that stuff. That's why the fender's all cut and the inside. I mean, the truck was already wrecked when I bought the truck, but that's why that side's all wrinkled up and all messed up. But like I said, apart from that, like I said, this was the very first truck we swapped, and we didn't know how to do the wiring on it just yet, so we sent it off to the shop to do the wiring, but it was all shitty. I don't know if y'all can really see, but yeah, the rat's nest in there. So we decided, you know, we're already putting all this money into it, putting another motor in it. I did get a Holley Hi-Ram. It's over here. I just bought it right now. So brand new Hi-Ram for the truck with the 102 throttle body. And then there goes the adapters for the injectors. What else? So we're like, well, if we're already doing all that, might as well clean up the wire harness and put in a brand new one in it, so that way it doesn't look ugly, and then fix all the issues that it did have, because the wiring was pretty iffy. So
sometimes they want to turn off.
Yeah. So
And they hook up the ignition to that big pink wire. They used to put
This
to
one right
the
here.
distributor.
yeah. So yeah, we kind of had a like.
Issues here and there.
Yeah, so we're trying to basically get rid of all those issues and actually make sure the truck runs right. So that's why we're like, you know what, screw it. We're gonna go ahead and get a new harness for it right now that we can, and that we're here. So new harness, like I said, new motor, or block, I guess, new block, and basically slap on the new stuff. And then, like I said, the Hi-Ram. A brand new turbo setup, so I was gonna get new intercooler piping. Oh look, also the intercooler, we never noticed that it actually had a badass boost leak on the other side. Oh yeah, right there. Look, little hole right there. It was probably causing a lot of issues. That's probably why it was losing pressure and stuff whenever. Yeah, so it would throw it off, and actually that's probably why. Maybe that's why it blew up. So. Yeah, but that's also the battery tray's fault, also our fault, because we never really secured it, so the battery just kind of leaning there. Oh yeah, the battery's gonna go over here in the back. So we're redoing the entire truck basically. Battery's gonna get relocated right here.
For cheap.
Yeah, for cheap. So, what else? I think that's it really.
Oh, we're trying to turn the button for the two-step.
Oh yeah, trying to get a two-step button. Mount it on the steering wheel or something, or somewhere. We'll see. As you can see, there's a mess in here full of parts everywhere. But like I said, we're trying to clean all this stuff up, make it look nice, or nicer, and then yeah. This fool. Yeah. Our boy Chris. God damn it. Huh? What's up, guys? So we're back on the truck. What day is this? 3? I don't know. 3? I will say 3. Anyways, my brother just went ahead and painted the engine bay. Got it cleaned up. And I don't remember if we recorded taking the harness out last time. We did, right? Anyways, the harness is right here. This is the original harness that we had on the truck. Shitty. It got out. because we did get a new PSI harness for it. Like I said, didn't just paint it, we just clear coated it right now. Super cheap Walmart stuff, you know. That's how we do it around here, you know, for on our stuff. But you know, everything's painted already, like I said. Just clear coated it, letting it dry a little bit. And right now they're gonna start trying to part this motor while I go get a haircut because, yeah, my shit's tripping. But this one's gonna get basically the head taken off, the head studs, the plate, the whole front drive, basically everything but the block, like I said, is gonna get basically put on the other motor. And then Pepin right there, I don't know what the fuck he's doing, but you know, he's here. But anyways, they're gonna start recording while they tear it down. Well, I'll be back, and then from there we're gonna start assembling the other motor and then getting it ready to get taken to Charlie's. But yeah, we'll be right back, guys. Like I said, we're gonna get it set up on the tripod right here, and then go from there.
Miren, raza, este cara de verga lo que hace. Miren. No. Miren, no. Vale, riata.
Tú dale.
Look at the hole to there.
Alright guys, so we're back for
It's like 2,900.
yeah, there you go. So my hair's all flat because of the hat, but it's alright. Anyways, we got the motor right here, basically all painted up. It's not obviously it's not the best paint job, whatever, but who cares? It looks decent in the pictures, so it's fine. But anyways, we're just gonna slap on the oil pan. Oh, where's it at? Where? Somewhere in the back. Oh, here it is. Like I said, we just spray painted it. We did get the bung welded on over there the other day by Charlie. Shout out to him. And yeah, so basically just gonna put on the oil pan right now and the rear main seal / cover, and the motor's basically ready to get dropped in. But yeah, like I said, it's been a few days at this point. What the hell are you doing, boy? But yeah, so we're gonna get to it right now. We're gonna select the oil pan on right quick, and then hopefully drop the motor in right now. But we'll be right back. All right, everybody. So it's been a really long time since this one's been basically ready, you know, to get taken to the shop. But the day finally come, so we're finally gonna go drop it off at Charlie's shop. But before we do that, as you can see, the truck's been sitting for months, so it's super dirty. And so we're gonna stop by the car wash somewhere. I don't know where. We're gonna find a car wash we can stick this thing in.
Cause Charlie wouldn't hurry up. And
Hey, no, it's okay. He moved shops. I get it. I'm no rush. Whatever.
we don't
Cool.
get it.
Nah, but yeah. Anyways, guys, like I said, we're gonna go rinse it off and then go drop it off at Charlie's shop, and then it'll be done in a few days, I hope, or a week. Don't matter. As long as it's there. As long as we get a spot back at the house. But yeah, like I said, guys, we're gonna strap it down real quick, go drop it off, and then we'll pick it up with the new turbo kit. I got the grill in there. Yeah, in there. And then yeah, guys, like I said, hopefully we bring it back. We put the new harness on it, and new harness on what again? Relocate, yeah, we're gonna relocate the battery to the back, and that's it, guys. So then the truck should turn on. Oh yeah, I mean, just to get it turned on, it should be alright. But yeah, I will order the throttle cable and the
Just minor shit.
yeah, little things here and there. But yeah, guys. Anyways, we'll be back, and like I said, hopefully the next time I see the truck, it should be close to firing up. But we'll see in a little bit. Apparently, I made the video way too long, so I'm gonna end up splitting it into two parts. So this will be the first part, and then I'm gonna edit the other one and make a second part. so that way it's not super long. You know what I mean? So this video should be about like 15 to 18 minutes, give or take. So, like I said, we dropped off the truck at Charlie's shop, and then we already picked it up. And you could probably see it in the background right there. We picked it up, but we haven't finished it yet. We still got to do the wire harness, throttle cable, and relocate the battery. I think that's it. Oh, and then never mind, I'm not gonna say that part. But yeah, guys, like I said, I'm gonna make it into 2 parts. Just stay tuned for the second part of the video, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, guys, like I said, always, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next one, and also don't forget about the giveaway. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, 10 random people are gonna get picked. So you're gonna get a free shirt, a free sweater, a hat, and some stickers. And I think that's it. I gotta double check. But like I said, in order to get entered in to win that, go to my Instagram page at Bro Gang Official. Bro Gang Official. Comment down below on the post of me announcing this giveaway, or you can just comment on this video. Either way, I'll put y'all in. So, like I said, completely free. You don't have to buy anything. As long as you subscribe to the channel and also to the Instagram page, you're good. And comment down below. But yeah, guys, like I said, share this video. Excuse the dog. Share this video and like and subscribe. Once again, comment down below, and we'll see you in the next one.